In this video, I'll guide you through how you can migrate a website from one hostinger to another hostinger account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you have to log into the admin panel of the website which you want to migrate. But for me, I'm going to migrate this website. Then you have to open another hostinger account and click on Add Website. Now choose WordPress and go with Use Temporary Domain. Now you have to select Build from scratch. This process takes up to a few seconds, so you have to wait for complete the process. Then you have to log in to the new website admin panel and hover on Plugins and click Add Plugin. Now you have to open WordPress plugin directory on the both website and search for WordPress plugin WP and install and activate the plugin on both the website. You have to go to the plugin setting. Now you have to open the new website where you want to migrate your old site and click on key and click on generate button. Now copy your key and go back to the old website and click on auto migration. Now you have to paste the key and click on save button. Then click on colon then transfer. Now you have to wait for a few minutes based on your website size. Once the process is finished, then log in to a new website where you want to migrate your old site and click on backup and restore and refresh this page. Then you will see a new backup will appear here. To restore a backup, you have to click on restore text and click on restore. Then this kind of pop-up will appear on your screen and click on OK. Once the process is finished, then click on OK. And this is how you can easily migrate your old site to a new one. Once you successfully migrate your website, then again log into Hostinger Ace panel and click on Websites. Now copy the URL of the website which you just migrate and delete the website from a previous Hostinger account. Once the website is deleted from a previous Hostinger account, then you have to log into a new Hostinger account where you just install the new WordPress website and migrate your old site. Then you have to click on Connect Domain and paste your old site domain name here. And click on the first one, do you own this domain? Yes it. And click on Next. Now you are ready to go. Now you have to wait for a few seconds to up to a few minutes to connect the domain name. After wait for a few seconds, then you will see you successfully connect your new domain name. By following this easy simple method, you can easily migrate your website from one hostinger to another hostinger account.